Hi, it's Kristina from Proven Winners ColorChoice Flowering Shrubs, and today we're going to talk about pruning and rejuvenation pruning for Potentilla. So when it comes to pruning a Potentilla, you're essentially just going to want to take all of the uneven branches off and give it a nice rounded shape. You don't have to worry at all about where you make those cuts. You can essentially just take a pair of shears and prune it all off. But that's already been done for us so that we can get right into rejuvenation pruning, which is the trickier part. So essentially, when you're rejuvenation pruning, you're going to want to take out 1/3 of the plant's oldest branches, and those are the plant's thickest branches. So I will show you how to do that today. When I make these cuts, I'm going to want to evenly distribute them throughout the plant. Essentially, I don't want there to be a big hole in the foliage. So we'll just start by looking for those thickest branches and removing them all the way back or as low as we can to the ground. Now this might seem like a pretty harsh prune, but this branch was pretty thick and quite old. You can see that the newer growth is rather skinny, but when you allow more new growth to fill out the plant, you're getting more blooms because that juvenile growth actually flowers most prolifically. So we've made one cut, we're going to keep going, and we'll just show you what a nice rejuvenation pruning looks like. And that is our job done. Our Potentilla is pruned. We've got a nice shape on it, and it's rejuvenation pruned. So when it comes to rejuvenation pruning, this is a task that you're going to want to get to every 3 to 5 years. Definitely not an every year task. Just when you notice, hey, there are a lot of really thick branches in here, I think it's time to open it up a bit. And that's essentially what you're going to do with your Potentillas. And I hope that you enjoy your flowers this summer when it is just blanketed in blooms. If you have any questions about how to prune your Potentillas, leave it in the comments below or contact us at mypwcolorchoices.com. And I'll see you again next time.